Paddy Roots, listen.
Big up on yourself. I went downtown. Illuminati in the town. I went downtown. Because I went downtown like a good man should. She found me yesterday just like a new sheet. Illuminati in the sound, wherever it may play. The massive and cruel love it all right away. Illuminati are the champion. Is I for the roots in a fashion. Watch how the people them a come in tens and thousands. Illuminati are the number one. Illuminati are the champion sound. But anywhere we go, massive, you must gather around.
Nice and easy.
There's a girl, Illuminati sound. I pour the roots round the microphone. Illuminati, him a nice the place. People them a listen it always. Illuminati are the champion. So out of many miseries.
Okay. You know who come next? You know who come next?
Look here.
Because there is no business like a dancehall business.
It's like a dancehall business, a rubber business. I know there ain't no business like a dancehall business. Illuminati star of the show. No, up on the reggae rhythm, Illuminati sound live. Tackle rubber dub, you must be constructive. What kind of rubber dub fi bring? What kind of sound fi kill? Oh, I know, that's why them send for the king. Illuminati are the dancehall king, you know. Why? And we can run dancehall forever. We got those that last forever. Watch this up and you want to contest me. Illuminati know that we can run dancehall forever. We got the kind of dub that make you wanna dance. Illuminati sound make you wanna dance. And there's no business like a dancehall business, a rubber dub business. I know there ain't no business like a dancehall business. Illuminati start up the show. No, up on the reggae rhythm, Illuminati sound live. Fi act a rubber dub, you must be constructive. What kind of rubber dub fi bring? What kind of sound fi kill?
All right. Now, let me tell you something. I want to tell you something to the girl, you know? Me a serious man, okay? Me not play number two. Me never play number two. Me not wanna be a substitute lover, so tell them I'll faint. All right, Jamaica. Okay, can I play a big bad combination? This is Lieutenant Stitchy alongside Beanie Man. Listen.
Let me tell them something. Stand digga dang dang digga dang dang digga dang dang dang. Beanie and Stitchy. Beanie and the governor. Ding 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 ding. Step on them Stitchy.
Listen.
Laba laba, laba laba. Them a got it. Laba laba laba, laba laba laba. So you laba laba, you laba laba. Too much. Laba laba laba, laba laba laba. Well laba
More business, lava more business.
Illuminati.
We night, lava mouse business, lava mouse business.
Mr. Wally and JP selector.
We night.
One of the thing them wet and the park a wrinkle far. Is when a some boy just laba laba. Pick up him pool lip them like two-pack cover. Ringing out with ears just like mosquito. Hey, cry like baby in a wet diaper. We use a mix up like kitchen blender. Your mouth a rotten, close your mouth and kill the odor. Beanie Man hand him over to the under team.
Ready for Beanie Man?
Sang digga digga dang dang digga digga dang dang digga digga dang 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 digga digga dang 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 dang. Lieutenant sit alongside Beanie Man. Everybody who no check the gap.
What we do?
We kill again. We rip it up and mash it up again. We kill again. Illuminati better than them. We kill again. We box them up and kick them up again. We kill again. Me oh God them up again. We kill again. Me use me.
All right now a bad combination. Okay, you know who is here? Okay, you remember that father? You remember that father, Peter Nitro? Huh?
Tell them Metro, watch ya. Come Mr. Septa, 749 and cheat and treat a tickle mine. Michael sing the girl is mine, you turn up a 6 and get a 9. Them on a bit on a rhyme, basic coach, shut off a fire. Watch me clock, me it's behind me, chest, me back, me belly spine. Bada bad bad, bitty bitty bad bad bad, bada bad 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 bad, bada bad 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 bad, don't look.
I have to pull up the one here, bro!
Welcome, wow.
Yes, Father Peter Mitro. Body General. Big Bad.
Tell them, Metro. Watch out. Come, Mr. 749 and cheat and treat a tickle mine. Michael sing the girl is mine. You turn up a 6 and get a 9. Them on a bit, turn a rhyme. Basic coach, shut off a fire. Watch me close, me legs, behind me chest, me back, me belly spine. Bad, bitty, bitty, bad, Illuminati, bad, bitty, bad, bitty, bitty, bad. Some of them run them out and come out and come and dance up down. And block them foot and pop them on until them bang the wrong. Until the Illuminati and the bad champion along with bad money till all put the microphones along and pick the metro that you way you sing we song. We're afraid of no tune, afraid of no one, no care where you're from. But if they want us, we in the combination. We see them put up on the rhythm and they put up on the version. Put up on the version.
Listen.
All about the trophy. All we got the glory. Boy, them want this Illuminati. Well, we run the dancehall and the party. It's all about the trophy. All we got the glory. Sound by one this Illuminati. Well, we run the dancehall and the party. Son boy, you don't know me. I'm money your worry. This Illuminati tonight you're dead. I must have to bury cause bad man they are me rule the country. Anywhere we go, everybody just love it. We are put the one in the air when you see Illuminati sound I play. The name and the DJ kill sound night or day. You wanna hear what me say? It's all about the
trophy. Okay, we're gonna give the next one. These are the World 21.
We got them done. See them run, see them run, see them run. Illuminati when we bust, we gun, we gun, we gun.
What?
Wally, I see them run, see them run, see them run. When Illuminati bust them gun, gun. JP,
what?
I want your name blood stain.
Alright, I pull up the junior. Father Peter said pull up, and me pull up it.
See them run. Illuminati when we bust we gun.
Yes, massive, we don't know. We apologize to our fans.
See them run.
For some indecent language, but you don't know. You see, to him come from so far. Well, for us make him go and enjoy the moment because right now, a total nicest in a rubber dub Thursday. Saying we're there, all are there, every artist there are ready for come work. So yeah, Illuminati just bunks two more to go. You see what I say, my brother?
Illuminati ain't no game.
Yes, I.
The land man, them gonna be tell them a strain. Yeah, this a killer, them not tell me who you a go blame. Dan Dada, him a bad man, not just like Jane. Simple and plain, wow.
So some boy get your head right. Illuminati said tonight are your dead night. You get caught in a copper and lead fight. Now try for duck whenever time you see that red light. Shot pick you. So boy get your head right. Illuminati said tonight are your dead night. You get caught in a copper and lead fight. Now try for duck whenever time you see that red light. What the fuck?
Yo, Illuminati have them.
Alright. Okay. We have just Chuchun left, okay? Chuchun left. So, me I go dig in my box. I change a little bit the vibe. I want to pay homage for one of my favorite artists that 2 years ago he left this earth and right now is watching from above, okay? This is Toots Ebert from the Toots and the Maytals.
Yeah, this is Toots and the Maytals. Begin up. Illuminati from Cicero. Yeah, it's the #1 sound that serves the people from night to day, day and night, from time to time.
A different tune, huh? A different tune, that one, yeah?
Listen, Illuminati never lose a contest. So what you gonna do? Illuminati keep playing the plate, night and day. Illuminati is the #1 sound. You hear me say? Illuminati keep playing good songs. So what can you do? Suppose you wanna go the man high. What would you do? Suppose you wanna go the man high. What would you do? Yeah. Timber, timber, timber. Ah, you timber, timber. Ah, you timber.
All right. So no long talking. We are gonna go for the last tune. Okay. Father Peter Mitro told me that here in Jamaica, not a lot of people know a person which the name is Lee Scratch Perry. He don't got a lot of recognition here in Jamaica, but the Monday, I don't know if you know, was the engineer of Bob Marley, okay? And he made, alongside King Tubby, a lot of dub music, a lot of experiment. The boy there was living in Switzerland. I made an interview with him. I was in his home, and then he said, all right, come up in the studio. And we made a dub plate. And well, this explains Illuminati Sound International. You know why? Because we are rebel inside, and we express this rebellion with the music. This is my last tune, Jamaica. Thanks for everything. See you soon. Bless.
This Lee Scratch Perry presenting Mr. Wally. Illuminati. Illuminati.
Listen
Naughty rise
to the level.
We are the musical rebel. I wear the musical ragga. We are the musical rebel.
Have to bleed up the one, yeah. Okay, lighter. My last tune. Give me some lighter, Jamaica.
Illuminati.
What we are?
Rise to the level. We are the musical rebel. I wear the musical ragga. We
are the musical rebel.
The conscious sound
talking
to your conscious mind.
To your conscious.
Illuminati level. Illuminati rebel. Illuminati reggae. Illuminati make it. Let's day. Sounds killing level. New sounds killing, and sounds thrilling. Illuminati, Mr. Wally.
All right. Hey, thank you, Jamaica. Thank you, Father Peter Mitro. Thank you, all the team and all of the people here. Bless up, O'Neill Famous. Bless up.
Yes, Illuminati. I love how you burn a fire. Saying all the way from Switzerland, you are the first European sound that come to original dancehall Rubber Dub Thursday. The first European sound. All right? So big up yourself, my brother. It's a flesh and a nothing for no man boast about. Them said today you're bright and blooming, and tomorrow you waited away. So right now, no more the people them know say, just love your black brother and your sister. Can a man no know what tomorrow might bring? Big up, Mr. Freddie McGregor. When you hear what happened to him, saying, I will beg God to carry Freddie McGregor through. Because Freddie is a youth. We play a vital role in the music industry. Vital role in this music industry. I would don't want to lose our next icon. Freddie McGregor, big up yourself. Because we have to love you and respect you. Some people at Jamaica will rate you when you die.
When it comes to this clash thing, me are the boss. See? So you know the thing go. Alright. A whole heap of clash me enter in from the 80s until now. You say me I say Gemini, Kilimanjaro, me and Super Cat come right down the line till you see Ninja Man run me down with knife on stage door. When me a cloud some lyrics, him couldn't take it and come run me down with knife. But I just saw the thing go. Anyway, I want to say tonight, a murderation in here. See? You have a policeman named Bruno. See? Him win about 15 clash already and lose about 10. You see me I say? So here we are going now. I have a youth named Ninja. See? We select all over the world. Him win about 8 clash and lose about 6. But here we are going out. The two of them are run off them out on each other. Who better than who? You see me I say? So tonight now, right now, by the next 2 minutes or so, we're ready. Jesus Christ, Bruno. Bruno, you ready, sir? Ninja, where you there? Ninja. Hold on there. See Ninja come. Boom. Watch out. Hold on. Watch his suit. Jesus Christ, people dead. Let me hear some on. Jesus Christ. Oh, no catch the walk in.
Hold on. Squidly. Me here say that clash here, you know. At 20 minutes and it cut to 10. So them want to see Bruno live. But anyway, Bruno, tonight you're dead. Remember me tell you that. Yeah? Me not chatting Squidly, so you say me start me 10 minutes a while.
Yeah. All right, people. First I'm going to have a juggling round. 10 minutes apiece, famous. One time of the year 20, now we gonna 10. Then I'm going to have a juggling round. See? Then I'm going to play some vocal in the juggling round. And then them go dub for dub round, one for one. All right. No, we are play a warm-up tune first, and then him play a warm-up tune. Ninja, you may make start the war, you know. Because you don't know how bad man.
Yo, Bruno. Gangster for life, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Champion sound cool boom again. We don't deal with king off, you know, let go. Bruno the best by any test.
Yo.
Tell the samba over there to start the sound class quick. And then start to bum it.
Stop.
Stop that panic.
Stop it. Stop. No, you're not breach the contract. No, You say you play one warm-up tune. Hold on. Ninja. Are you not ready yet? Hold on there. Are you not ready yet?
Bruno, you broke the laws of war, you know. Me I tell you that, you know, my youth. Me I tell you this, you know. Why you not bring the rest of sound them and make me kill the three of them one time and call it one crime? Anyway, me go play a master Griffiths. Bruno, let me tell you something. I warm up tune you talk about. Eh? You're going to die right now tonight. You're not leave yourself. Gary, lock the gate there. Where's security there? You're going dead. Remember me tell you that. Listen to this, Bruno.
To turn and see me.
Oi. You don't ramp with me, you know. Me no come here for play, you know. Creation. Fix up on the thing them, you know. Fix up that right now, people. All who want to say war, say war. All who want to sound dead, them out dead in here tonight. Bruno, better you call for help. Yeah? Anywhere. That is a technology problem. What I do? That is not my fault, that. I feel them fault, that.
All right. You go over there, so go sort out your crew. All right. Bruno, play one more song. Play one more song, Bruno. Come no man, play the mind. Just play a tune yourself. You're full of tune. Just play a tune until I'm ready. Just be tune out, Bruno, man. Jesus Christ, the people them can't. I mean, not. You want to play neither? You not play neither. What going? Oh, it's a play now. Oh, Jesus.
You will never lose a fight. Make sure you say what? Rock the house! Bruno sound. Oh yeah. Bruno is public enemy #1. Cruise control to the world, we say, coming in hot.
Bruno,
firing some dumps.
People, listen to this. Bruno, go one side.
Ninja, you know why you run it down.
What are you trying to sabotage me?
Marcy Griffiths endorsing it every time.
Listen to this. War in there tonight. Bruno.
You gonna die.
Listen to you something. You see where I go on, so teach them. I go and make some dub plate, reach them. I go and take out the musical belt and beat them. Yeah? You see me? Me born to kill people. Run that Glen Ricks there. And me show them. Because I hold it a dub plate, me hold them.
To me, you are play 10 minutes, and then when you're done, Bruno come play 10 minutes. And that's the thing, they are juggling around this. It not reach a dub for dub yet. It not reach one for one yet. So juggling around with the pan. Bruno, he might play 10 minutes, and you are play 10 minutes. Ninja, your 10 minutes start like right now. I mean, I want Bruno chip in. 10 minutes you play.
Quickly, go on side. Colusion of people.
Killing them.
Your illusion is sing for the people them. And that's how
yeah, this is Illusion of the Messenger.
Bruno.
Singing for Cruise Control.
You're getting
nervous. Now big up young Ninja.
Listen to these people.
The Messenger Kabbalah speaking. Take it away.
Hey boy. Listen to them tune. You could have 1 million dollars.
Cruise Control. Cruise Control.
Bruno, watch your style here.
Broken-hearted sound boy, calling in the dead soul.
Listen that boy.
Disappointed sound boy who has no double place at all.
You know who never make
after so many dabs, Cruise Control plays.
You know who never make answer you.
Wondering if and when he's gonna
send them home.
Cruise Control, do it for me tonight, please.
Listen to this people.
No, no, no.
Watch it. Watch this more. Watch it.
All right.
Who read the artist and name Errol Duncan?
This is Cruise
No sound in the world, no but like me.
No sound in this world can tell.
You mad?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, kick up on that one. How who mash up in there? With the big tune.
You be telling. So much about friends.
Me not trust them.
But you not trust none of them. So much about you and them article.
People.
Control now partial.
When me a murder sound, me no wrong. Right now, Bruno get cramp. Listen to that song, yeah. Oi.
Studio day.
Remember me tell you. Yeah, kick up when I go on. Yeah, go dance. Listen to this one. Oi. Oi.
No for them a kick up and a go on.
Listen to this.
Can last out the journey.
You know long. Me want to kill the leader. Respect my boy.
Every dance we keep out there.
People, listen. Bruno.
You have no idea how long I wanna murder you, some boy. Hey, I'm gonna play you this dub plate and I won't tell you pardon.
When me a kill sound, me no play.
I see now some boy staring in my sound box. Oh yes.
Shoot!
I want them to know say I will
run tune. Me now waste no time.
Tell you, I who him, I where him come from, I who for food.
Shoot, boy, shoot! Me now waste no time. Yeah? You think it easy to kill me?
You talk about
Bruno, where there? Ah boy, it's hard to kill me.
It's hard to kill a champion sound like Cruise Control.
Listen! I mash up in the last month. Eh? What? The Colonel Campbell.
Cruise Control.
Hey boy Bruno. I'm me a ramp with. Eh? I want the gaga.
With my face to the sun. Cruise Control, I go knock them out in my dick.
Young Ninja, run this one for them.
Yeah, the BC and the Lucian and don't play it. Let me show you how I'm creative. You think that bad like me? Listen.
Cruise Control kill sound each and every day. Then we go bury them on Monday. How them try for thief, who them try for rob. Cruise Control I tell you say you can't fool God now.
Idiot son boy, happy run away.
I'm gonna make Carl Dawkins tell him something for me. Yeah? Let it go. Don't waste no time. Yeah? Hey, boy.
You know about it.
Wait a minute.
It's called Hawkins right here.
Listen to this, people. Me not play around here.
Guarantee satisfaction.
Hear them tune now.
Let me tell you to believe about cruise control. You got to know this a sound, a murderer, killing 10% sound. It's news all over town. Playing space and whistle every day. We get 10% sound.
Shoot.
In the night.
We don't waste no time, got the time short, you know.
Come
shoot. Listen to this.
Cruise control.
Kill them. How we run, God?
No.
Yeah.
Oi. Get this one.
Your heart gonna weep. What you is gonna hear. Little someone gonna shiver with fear. So do what
How
you
much minute left? How much
say
minute left?
what you will cause. You are
shoot,
the one.
For the people that want to hear Sean.
Cruise
control. 3 minutes.
Explain sweeter, stronger.
Hold on. Listen live, fam.
Better. Cruise control. Kill yourself.
I feel this.
Then put you on the ground. And I know it is real. This time I know. I told you how I feel. Another summer's got to go.
You see them boy, them only walk and collect dub. Don't watch out the box that shit. Me nah drop out, me skill. Gunshot reading. Never teaching us something. Me murder anything. Yeah? Listen to this boy. Me kill it now. Yeah? People, lose you now.
Pocket is empty. No dubs to bind on. God is hungry. Don't ask me why. Lose control.
Level. You feel me and him figure tune for tune? No. Me not think so. Me I lock him off. No. Hear the say and success, yeah. Hey boy, you're dead.
Put.
Me no run. Me a killer.
Cruise control. Put it
on. Me tell you that. You can't bring them boy off the clash me. What man? Listen.
Lock them off. Cruise control come fi lock them off. Then sound boy get soft. Lock them off.
Watch me.
Cruise control them and lock them off.
Shoot again.
Cruise control.
Listen to them song. Bruno.
Put them in a hole.
Run money a warrior.
Put them in a hole.
It will take me 10, 9. Listen.
Every second and a sound gets started. Dump them in the harbor.
Hey boy. You know which part of boy are dead?
Cruise control of the champions.
Right, yes, so Anthony Johnson.
Everywhere
boy, dead. Listen.
You are go dead in the sound clash. A cruise control a kill that. You are go dead in the sound clash.
Level.
And the champion a murder that.
All who remember Patrick Andy. Who remember Patrick Andy? Play the song. You see the rest of sound them? Them can come. Them are not dead too. I'm not afraid like none. You hear?
No.
Watch this.
See them a come. Cruise control, I said in that run.
Oh boy.
See them a come. Champion sound, I said in
that
run.
You take me play. Wrong sound, I'm saying.
The messenger of the Kabbalah said that saying, in all things we give thanks to the
Watch out, people, listen to this. Shoot, no waste no time. Teach them, I'm saying. No plate, I'm gonna reach them. Hey boy, hands in the air.
Thank you for the blessings in my life. And I thank you for cruise control sound tonight. Yeah.
Who no one know who
I wanna thank you,
people.
For all you say.
Them say done, you know, them a try save him life. One more. Give me that.
And I thank you for the dub plate that you play.
Hey.
Young Ninja makes some.
Who no one know how work? Big up Ninja man. Ninja 4. Ninja King. Ninja Teeth. Young ninja, big up all ninja. Yeah? Regular tune, let me show them something. Remember me tell you that. This tune represent me. Me don't need no money for kill no boy. Me do it for free. Remember this, yeah? Hi. Listen.
A ninja with ninja. A ninja with ninja. Yes, cruise control you are danger. Cause a ninja with ninja with ninja. Lord.
Wallace.
Ninja with.
All right. All of us a ninja go out wicked. Boss some black. Let me hear me say right now. Let me hear the honor for ninja. All of us a ninja go out wicked. Boss your hey, boss be a blank. Jesus Christ, Bruno. Bruno, the heat is on. Me like we are going. Next week again, that is a soul clash again. One police will go versus whosoever, we don't know who yet. And a murderation. You see me? And then you see after that now, they're going to have, if Bruno win the round, if Ninja win the round, and they're going to clash most of 50 grand the other 3 weeks. Jesus Christ. Where you say, Bruno? You ready? You ready now, sir? Shoot!
Yeah, big up all I massive them. Yo, come like a the chief blind minds this. Cause I don't know when Ninja plays, you know. God know. Ninja. For you come here take Bruno, everybody knows the Bruno police. But I'm going to show you what type of police Bruno is. Lucy.
Yeah, we want some good sound boy now. Don't test Bruno's sound. Yeah, man. You get
Ninja, listen this.
Run it on them. Bruno, big up yourself. And the message of the Cabana said, say, oh, the Cabana. Oh,
Ninja, hear this.
Yes. Bruno, I go kill himself. I'm done. Bruno is a top class police. I catch thief from Monday to Friday. And at the end of the week.
Ninja, you can't kill my son.
No, Ninja can't kill Bruno sound. No ninja at all can kill Bruno sound. No, no, no. Lie them, lie them, lie them, lie them, lie. Lie you lie, me say you lie, ninja. Lie you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. Bruno sound can never die. No ninja can kill Bruno sound. No way, no ninja at all. And if no ninja can't kill Bruno sound.
You can't kill Bruno sound. No day, no time.
Ninja at all.
Ninja all time
can't kill Bruno sound. No, no, no. Lie them, lie them, lie them, lie them, lie. Lie you lie, me say you lie, ninja. Lie you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. Bruno sound can never die. No ninja can kill Bruno sound. No way.
Hear this.
No ninja at all. And if you say you are Jackie Chan, me woulda believe you. If you say you're Bruce Lee, me woulda agree with you. If you say you're Jet Li, me woulda agree with you. But ninja sound can't kill Bruno. I lie, you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. Lie, you lie, you get paid for tell lie. Lie, you lie, you lie.
Sound. Kill him, Tishana.
Kill some jump and sound.
Ninja, hear this.
Bruno sound. Hear this. Son boy, I dream about it. Bruno sound nothing but it with dark. You know with dark. No dark, no bark. Uzi and the AK we a live. Bruno him no left out the chopstick when he walk. To him dark. No dark, no bark. Bruno sound with a bad sound. Aim straight for the bullseye. Sound boy violate to know we shot out your two eye. Goodbye. You a run up your mouth, a selector boy, you know you're too light. We make your coconut brain turn gizzard. Mince up your body like you a grown lizard. The sound disappear when no magician, no wizard. Shot your mouth flesh like piranha. Some boy I dream about it. Bruno so nothing but it with dark. You know with dark. No. You're in tune to Bruno International Sound. Bruno kill clown. Want to some boy, leave the compound. This is Al Campbell for you.
I want to get to say about that too. Ninja, you have a dead, you know.
Style. Old people say,
yeah, this Ninja.
If you test Bruno, you are gonna get showdown. Him lock the city, him run the place, yes. Bruno run.
Yourself and go ahead. Yes. But a weeble, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey, I love the vibes, I know the rhythm, my job. A Bruno in a the dancehall strap. And well, the music is all we've got. And now we must defend it, dancehall. No need no harm.
It's my favorite game. Yeah. Friday a sound white, if them run left the scene, yeah. Dub plate make a sound white, drop them think a gunshot. Yeah, yeah. Why them sit down in a fire? Them think I could be that. When the play them start to move. When the baby singer them start to run. Friday a sound white, if them run left the scene, yeah. Why? Dub plate to a sound white, chest scream, heart attack. Won't you know that?
But it's not dancehall. Oh boy, them get themselves in a trouble. La da 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 da. Alright then, say them a talk about me sing like the one. Cocotia, me and me. And some a talk about Bruno sound, it's dead and buried. But them dead and buried, you know it.
Bruno killed sound and left them on wire. Harder than a fantasy. Left them loading like a highway. Empress Fire Flames, they are. Bruno sound. Champion sound. Hey, hey. Bruno sound, kill sound. Left them on wire. Bruno other than a fantasy. Left sound running like a highway. Bruno kill sound and left them on wire.
Let the country come out and save you after the thing said. I want to, so say Bruno. I want to. Some boy talk about the thing say
Remember me tell you can't kill that sound and no time no day.
But I bust my boy. Which is right. Oh no, a bad man. What the hell, man? Big gunman rise, born make the nice. Now this sound Bruno, no get the shot between the eyes. Life depend the line, the faster just to realize them get gunshot to the brain. Send it into an instant data. We use the blood blunt to send through your poop and egg. And I use that dead plate to chop select and all them chase. Them get gunshot to them brain. Hey Bruno, say man a sound killer, sound stopper. We kill him sound and can't cause this about a man a sound killer, sound stopper. We kill him sound and can't cause this
by himself. Yeah man, a Bruno in our class by himself saying son boy, you don't know. It's Bruno. Hear this. Some class is not a toy. You're playing with the champion sound. Some class is not a toy. Your little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Pack up your sound boy and let Bruno play. Cause we will but you. Just you, little sound boy. We gonna cook a lot of sound boys. Bruno cook a lot of DB sound boys. And let me tell ya, DB sound boy, it's not the time to play.
Try. Bruno, listen. Hey, every sound got their eyes on you. Bruno, trying to figure out how you play. I heard them say that you're the talking town, Bruno. And I've got to let them know, Bruno sound, you are the center of attraction. and you knock them off their feet. Saint Rama.
Oh gosh, yes. Let's take over. Yeah. Yeah. Oh gosh, yes. Yes, yes. Tell us how guys say. Many did try but could not test. Bruno big sound, no. Many did try, Bruno chopped them down. One by one, some of them went to the bank. Withdraw all his monies, yeah. Thinking that's what it takes to take Bruno then crown. No, Bruno sound just play drugs of the world and soul jumping. Yeah, yeah. Rock the from now till the morning.
Bruno sound, you don't know what piece can represent, you don't know the jingle got alone, each other alone. What they must smoke around is a cassava. Yeah, man, we are going to make them run like a cassava. You don't know the jingle. This is piece of can. Shane, warm to them, Bruno. Me say a ganja fi bun, yeah. And me say Bruno in a the play, yes. Alright then, sir. Here come the thing called a piece in a the candy. I want to them Bruno sound. Watch this. Say them go burn down herbs. Can't tell Bruno sound. Figure plant cassava. Them fly like a bird.
No way.
Tell them Mr. them to go away.
Tell them to lock them out. Tell them to lock them out. Them don't even want a bicycle key. Who them? Bruno. Why you put can play zero? No Bruno comfy. Lock down the city without a pity. So now go dead like that. No leaky. Them can't check with Bruno. I run from me now.
Bruno sound is a true sound. Bruno plays the true dubs and need not search no more. Bruno is the true sound and need not search no more. Bless the glove. Once a like a wandering sheep on this Jaja lane.
Nelson saying 1-5 Bruno big champion sound. Kill them dead. You. Yeah. Oh ho 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 ho. Hey.
Well, all right.
Me see you running up and down in this town.
Pull up. Yeah, man. Bruno, just one problem I find with you. You know, talk. See? You have to learn to talk, man. See? Anyway, Squidly, your time.
All right. All I who say Bruno, wind around here. Put one in the air, let me see I make nice. Lord Jesus. I'm going to do it again. All I who say Bruno, wind around here. Put one in the air, make be nice with me here. All right. All I who say Ninja, wind the juggling around. Put one in the air, make be nice with me here.
I don't like how you do it. You emphasize pan Ninja, but Ninja, are you take that round? Don't put no emphasis on it. Just talk same way. You know, if you say, oh, nobody emphasize. But Ninja take the round. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Boy, me I tell you, see, man. You say me I show you. Me, him a coach. Me will run Jamaica before him a coach me. Anyway, me not go fight it. You see that round here now we are going to play? At the wickedest part of it this now. Jamaican people, you know what I'm going to play now? Dub for dub. Tune for tune. One for one. Him going to play one tune. Ninja going to play one. Him play one. Ninja, them going to play 7 tunes a piece. And who know? Going to choose who are the winner in each song them play. You ready? Ninja, go back up there, so. You ready, Bruno? Ninja, you first a player. See the mic here. Watch out the Bruno. Lord Jesus. Ninja, you got one round already, you lead.
Alright. People, no boy can emphasize on ninja thing, ninja bad. Let me tell you something. Lego the Marcia Griffiths there. You know I shouldn't come here tonight, but me come here to kill. Let it go.
Cruise control in the spotlight. Marcia Griffiths say, take it
Listen.
to the world. Blaze it away.
Hey boy.
And you run it.
Are you them son come? People, don't watch your back so me a skank pan out the rock. Me skill.
Cruise control shall kill.
Watch it.
As long as he plays.
Oh.
And as
Watch
long
it.
as he plays.
Hey boy.
Some shall die. So why you gonna die tonight?
I'm me with the warrior.
Tell a lie.
Me put it on them.
If you try to
taste hold it.
I go tune a play ninja. But that tune ain't bad like this. Yeah.
Bruno, you don't know say kill we come for kill jump on. Run it back to me in that place. Way now. A Bruno song, champion sound.
Ninja, you hear this?
Say Bruno put down iron plate until a little jump on straight.
All right. All I will say, ninja, win the 1-1 they look a while. 2 in the year, let me say. Hold on. All I will say, Bruno, play the bad tune look a while. 2 in the year, let me say. Right now. Ratted. Ninja lead by 1. Ninja.
Yo, me like when them do that something about them to set a stage that the people them can see me. Let me tell you something. You see when me kill sound, I do it forever. Bruno, this ninja is clever. Lego that can boot them and show the boy or something.
Yeah, man, while all them could dibby old pants sound and out of bed because them run too fast, you know. All we under is cruise control.
Listen.
And all the cool pants sound have to know that.
No.
Young ninja. This is Ken Boo.
Listen, people.
Straight to your head.
I'm here, Rampo.
Cruise control.
I saw you play.
You're number 1. Cruise control.
You see me?
When we kill your sound, we will kill you forever.
Hold it. Jesus Christ. I mean, say people, are you ready? Oh Lord, Bruno.
When you play Ken Boot, you have to play that one, better than that one.
All in the could be the world pan sound we have big up on the mouth like the one over there, so we want you to know, say, Bruno are the number 1 sound. Right the one big up man like Bruno. And all the crew, this is Ken Booth. You know I know. Bruno sound.
Ninja, hear this?
You're number 1. Bruno is in town.
Yeah.
Sound boy, you're joking. Your amplifier smoking.
All right. Here we are going, you know. All I who said ninja play the better Ken Boot. 2 in the year I make be a nice here. All right, hold on. All I who said Bruno play the better Ken Boot. 2 in the year I make nice. All right, hold on. Bruno 1, Ninja 1. Come, your time again.
Bruno, what you are doing now is follow me. Don't do that. You will fall in a trap. So I'm going to change the course. So you go and drive that little white car right up in a light post. You will listen to this general sing this bad tune, yeah? Hear this. This is Pluto Sherrington. Look at that.
Cruise control sound. Big sound.
Biggest tune this
young
night.
Ninja. This is the original Pluto Sherrington.
Teach me a teacher, yeah? People.
Young I run when cruise control gonna bust. A kicking sound, a ninja fault. A one.
A bad tune that, but you know bad like this, yeah.
Pop it off again, Dada. Oh yes, Skittle top.
Bruno, you hear this?
It's been a long time you've been killing and
you hear that?
The visible and the invisible universe that never sleep. Clap yourself. Listen up, the immortal is here. The sensation, the icon. Look at him, John Holt. Sing Dada.
Number one sound, Bruno. And I'm on John there for endorsing sound, the ruling sound, killing sound. No sound can test Bruno the best. Remember, say how we run things.
Oh, we gonna murder your sound tonight. Bruno's the number one sound. Oh.
In reality, I witnessed a Bruno sound murdering another sound.
Hold on! Peter, I just say more, I said that one. Go on.
Why? The thing turn up here now. The thing turn up here now. You see, I want the people turn up. All of the people, them, we say, Ninja, take that round and make me soon end of the year. All right? All of the people, them, we say, Bruno, check that round and make me soon end of the year. Bruno, 2-1.
All right. Bruno, 2-1. So, Ninja, come out here, son of man.
Hold on, watch out. Bruno, all the while the sound them do this. Them a try to think people, but them not skill. Listen to that tune here.
Cruise control. You make everything have a rock and roll. Because them say you run the control. Young Ninja. You don't know Ninja is a ninja and you can't kill him. You're the selector, this is producer.
See where you tried right now, go on.
People. Cruise control, big bad champion. Where is me a laugh at trouble? People.
Ready?
You trying to kill cruise control? No, some boy you never will kill cruise control. No, but you.
Me not try. I kill me, I go kill you. Here ya.
Yeah, man, the Jard looks as a represent for Bruno, the big sound, bad sound.
Ninja, hear this, me not try to kill your sound, me kill your sound.
Hey,
listen.
Bruno say, way, or no start trouble, expect to die.
All I who say, Ninja take that round there, 200 a year, let me see. Hey, you say, oh no, easy, you know. All I who say, Bruno, take that round there, 200 a year, let me see. What is the score? 3-1? Lord God. Come, Ninja!
Alright. Bruno, me know you have a whole heap of song, you know. But you see me hard for dead. You can't kill me. You play a George Nooks. Are you in the trouble or you are crying? Listen to this, people.
Big up Young Ninja.
Yeah.
Big up Carly.
You are crying.
I'm Dirt Morgan said the sound that called cruise control, man. The
Listen.
killing sound, man.
Teach them.
Take it from I, man.
I tell you, say, hey. Boy, make no plate. Reach them.
Mungzai.
Watch out.
I said it. Cruise control at the sound boy killer. Bad minded sound boy.
Yeah, man.
It takes one sound to kill a.
What is this?
A big tune that. Big tune that. I can't play that, but me not play it. I'll play that one for you.
Me go introduce you to the biggest sound around.
Hear that?
El numero uno, DJ Bruno. So all them little dibby jump and sound who want come test Bruno, learn this.
Light a candle, sing a song key and find your way back home.
Have no fear, loving there is here. Alongside Bruno, el numero uno. No one you poor the jump and sound. You're going to flop and fade away. Murderation waiting.
Don't pull up, don't. Peter, me nah give that one here. Cause me know what you're gonna say. Me nah give, me know what you're gonna say. Hold on, Ninja. All who say Ninja take that round there, 20 the year, quick and fast. All who say Bruno take that round there, 20 the year, quick. One more. Hold on, people. One more and it done. One more, Ninja.
Oi, nah man. Bruno, let me tell you something. You are try something, you know, but me have song, you know. Me know you. Oi, people, listen to that tune now. Oi, 1 or 2, go some. People, a long time we don't hear them song, you know. Bruno, you think me nah no song? Listen to this.
Bless up cruise control. Give thanks and praise to young Ninja. Much respect goes out to Eric Montemare.
What?
Run the drum, please.
You think me rap brown, yeah?
Ready?
Who don't know read them singer, yeah? Listen to this boy. Bruno. Oi. People.
Cruise control, play some dubbing at the dance hall. And him play till him kill us.
Listen to this boy.
Some boy dead, yes, them dead, yes, them dead, oh. Some boy dead, yes, them dead, yes.
Pitch, Junker, pitch.
Gideon! Talking about the versatile Bruno, this is Modern Heritage representing. Run it!
Make one of them say yes, Rasta.
Yes, Bruno. Oh, hell yeah.
Rockers.
Bruno always killing sound, yeah.
And the final one is, and the last one, last tune.
Yes. See, I don't know nothing much about no jump and sound. I don't know about working with the system. I don't know about life on Miami Beach. But make me tell you about the streets. Ask them about Bruno. I know him like me dance in the street. When them feel you can't sleep. Ask them about Bruno.
Peter Metro, you are on the mic, eh? We don't have nothing to say.
Boy, you don't have nothing to say. Why? It done, you know. It done long time because him go 4-1. Seen on a 7 tune, so who get 4 win long time? That was just a little brata. And
at the end of the day, him win the juggling round and him win the 1-for-1 round. So I want to say, it not tie.
no man, nobody come justify nothing here, so. He is not a judge. People don't see the clash. Saying, don't see the clash. Shh, calm down. All who say Ninja win, let me see another year. All who say Bruno win the clash, let me see another year. All right, so it's fair. I saw it go. See, I saw it go. Well, we just make a joyful noise unto the Lord, people, and we're glad. Bruno, no man, nobody play no winning song. The artists them want work. No, see, you know me like. Although you not talk. See, you still win the class same way. See, Ninja, don't feel no way. See, I saw it go, you win some and you lose some. You win clash already and you lose some. Say something before Bruno play.
Metro, let me tell you something. You see me a bad selector. Me kill this in the first round, so I'm take the dub for dub and I nothing. You see me? I saw war go and I nothing.
Yo, Ninja, you're my friend. But a suicide coming. A suicide coming. Give a winning tune. Play a winning tune, man. Play a winning tune.
The champion song called Bruno, yeah. Anything he play, he got so. Yeah, Bruno the champion. Meet Gregory says so. You understand? Listen to them boys. What the mercy. Now who's gonna play the dance tonight?
Selector!
Only Bruno.
People, don't really enjoy the clash. We don't like one to sit down, don't like we are going. All I will love the clash. Bust up black, they hear me. Be nice. Alright? People, let me tell you something. You see Bruno, him bad, him full of tune. All him a touch Dennis Brown yet. Him a touch Garnet Silk yet. Him full of dub plate. Him a cut tune 20 years now. Him start cut tune 4 years now. See, I have to see with him. Anyway, my part of the show, segment done. Big up teach them who there enjoy himself and thing. All the people them who there from Jungle, Rima, Tivoli, Uptown and Downtown. Big up on yourself. You see me I say? Alright. So no don't know the thing go total niceness. Alright, every Monday when I come here so. Mature Monday. Seeing DJ Snow that youth here, I am a select. You see me I say? And a total niceness and thing. Anyway, you have a whole heap of special guest artists there. We're ready for work right away, so we are going straight in it. You see me I say? So you don't know what the thing go. Bruno, you and another sound are going to clash about the next 2 weeks from now. People, next week is the next police and next selector going to clash next week. So I don't know how that go. Come and see where you are going.
No man, a 2 police from Half a Tree a clash next week. Half a Tree police station. Seeing Shabba Rankin sound, seeing name Purple Rain, and the next, I forgot what the next sound play. Seeing what the next sound name.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.